Welcome to Netpresenter Statistics tutorial video. This video will show you how to measure the reach and impact of your employee communications with our exciting new statistics feature. As soon as you're logged into the message server, you can see an overview of all your messages. But to actually see how each message is performing, you can click on the statistics button on the right side of your message. When doing so, a pop-up with message statistics will appear, and the statistics that are shown are broken down into 6 categories. The first tile, displayed on, tells you on how many devices your message has been displayed. These devices are divided per output, PC, TV, and app. In the second tile, device breakdown, you see a donut chart with the exact percentages of the specific devices that your message has been displayed on. On the top right, you will find the third tile, PC, TV. Here you can view exactly on how many of your total devices your message has shown. 95.4% reached so far. That's a great score. In the reader engagement tile, you can find the total number of interactions. More detailed information about your reader engagement can be found in the next tile, engagement details. Here you see an overview of the read more clicks, likes, dislikes, and comments. When you hover over read more clicks, you can see the division between your outputs. In the last tile, CTR, the click-through ratio of your message is shown. This is the percentage of users that have clicked on the read more button on your message. As you can see, the CTR is also split per output. Click Next or Previous to cycle through the message statistics of all your messages. So far for individual message statistics. Let's move on to the site statistics, where you can see your overall statistics of your site. Click on Statistics on the top of your message server overview. A dashboard with key statistics of your site will appear, and you will find all connectivity and activity details of each specific site. On the top left, you can find connectivity details. Here you see how many players are currently connected and the number of messages that are currently shown. You can also see a division per output. On the right side, you will find the number of connected players in the last 24 hours. On the top right, you can see the total number of messages that have been published in the last 6 months. It also shows you how many new messages have been published today and which of these is the most recent one. In the engagement tile, you can learn more about the engagement of your audience. There are several tabs such as click-through ratio or CTR, app reads, likes, dislikes, and comments. You can sort messages based on popularity. You can do so by clicking on the arrows in each tab. In the tile Active Messages, you can view all active messages during a specific period of time. These are the messages that have been displayed on your connected players. The exact number is shown when hovering over the curve. On the bottom left, you will find in-depth connectivity details in the Connected Players tile. This chart shows you how many players were connected and exactly when they were connected during a specific period of time. For example, you can see that on June 5th at 3 p.m, 119 out of 130 TV players and 21 out of 231 PC players were connected. And that's it. Now you know all that is to know about Netpresenter Statistics feature. In need of some assistance? Please contact us. We're happy to help.